Okay, Aries, here we go. Mama, Papa, daughter, they, them, biddly bopple, unicorn fierceness. Yes, and I hope you feel great. I hope you feel strong. I hope you feel energized. I hope you are enjoying your season. I hope you are enjoying this new, fresh, astrological energy. Because you deserve it. Because maybe she's born with it. Maybe she's worth it. Come on, end of cycle, new beginnings. Oh, trigger warning. If you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. Your heart of the matter is patterns, internal patterns. Internal patterns, upside down. So this says, happy, healthy home, 9 of Pentacles, the Fool upside down, and the Mother of Pentacles. Ooh, juice. Juice. Okay, Aries. So this says, here we are at the beginning of a new adventure, and we are triggered again by starts. We are triggered again by starting things. Now, what does this mean? This means that there's a lot of things that start. Hello. Every day. Every day you wake up and you're at the start of a new day. This says, on this full moon, on this moment of feelings, this moment of internal brightness, internal clarity, internal balance, focus on your home. Now, again, I think this means, sure, physical space, but also your physical body, your soul's home, your subconscious. Focus on your home. And think about, do some meditation. This is 3 meditation topics for you. Quick. Go on a walk. Meditate on these 3 topics. What it means for you to have a happy, healthy home. What does that mean for you? Second meditation is, what are you resisting the start of? This is your card. This is Aries' card. This is the Fool. Are you foolish? No. What is the Fool card? This is diving. This is diving. This is surrendering. This is diving instead of falling. Starting an adventure. You energetically are wanting to start something. This is your season. This is your empowerment. This is when you start. This is what you are craving. You are wanting this. But you are not allowing yourself to do it. Why? Is it because of an imbalance in your Libra emotionalness? Or is it because of something else? Is it fear? What is it? Ask and then be open for the answer. The answer will be in your Mother of Pentacles. The answer will be in the earth, groundedness, femininity center. The answer will be in the container in which you allow yourself to connect to reverent femininity. The answer will be in nature. The answer will be in beauty. The answer will be Venus, values. The answer will be in your sun. You know what's amazing? Mercury is in Pisces right now. We're still communicating, expressing what we've learned during Pisces season. Mercury's going to go into Aries soon. That's going to be your double expression of ferociousness, of empowerment, of no one's going to stop you. Yes, and. Give yourself grace. Give yourself time to reflect. Hashtag full moon reflection. Reflect, reflect, reflect. I know we don't like that, but give yourself time to reflect on these 3 topics. Happy healing home, diving into the adventure, and exalting the container of your femininity. Aww, wake up. You're taking an intuitive nap right now, and your intuition is saying, Mama, you don't need to sleep on me. Wake up. Look up. You got this. I love you. Bye. Okay. We did it. I love filming these videos. They're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are. Libra is the scales, right? You have 2 bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these 2 things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon, Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm going to put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, 1 for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of Portal, of the Master Intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, hashtag code, and he did amazing. T. Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the 2 of them. So go check that out. paulflanga.com. That's also where you get all the things. All the links, all the things. Blessings.